Hi, we're back again.
We're on, Marcy. We didn't leave the desk.
Very chatty
today. This is our
Very
third
chatty.
video in a row.
Yes.
So we just closed a debtor-in-possession or DIP loan, which is so let me give
So,
everyone.
like, Jeff's gonna explain what DIP is.
That's
because
correct.
It's a specialty.
I should have
item.
started out.
Just explain.
I
'cause
totally
it is-
screwed that up. I should have started out.
It's very specialized. But go ahead.
Yes. A debtor in possession, when a company or individual files for Chapter 11 bankruptcy, they're called debtor in possession. It's a long explanation, but you can Google debtor in possession, and there's any financing has to be court approved. It's a whole complicated thing. I actually did a fantastic video explaining DIP loans. You can look it up on YouTube. But we happen to, believe it or not, we're experts on DIP lending. We've been doing it for decades, and most lenders don't know what they're doing, and it's a real specialty and shy away from it. But we just closed a DIP loan, a debtor in possession, and it was a specialty building. Happened to be in South Florida. It was a specialty school building. I think it was like a private school or something like that.
It was like also like pretty much a community center.
A community center.
It was like for the area, for the community.
Borrow in bankruptcy, in foreclosure, specialty building, and we provided, and a second, we provided them with financing. It was referred to me by the bankruptcy attorney. We approved the deal literally on the phone. I got him a term sheet, I think that night or the next morning. I went back and forth with the attorney a little bit. The deal had to be finessed a little bit because
you have to go in front of the judge.
And when you go in front of the judge, the judge has to approve it.
Yeah.
Typically, the U.S. trustee has to approve it, and there typically can't be objections, or if there are objections, they have to be dealt with in a court by all the creditors. So we finessed the term sheet a little bit. Within 48 hours, we got a term sheet. He filed in court. The court approved it. We closed it. A little bit of a different deal, but we really have developed a specialty in some difficult deals, workout deals. We do a lot of workout deals, debtor in possession, note-on-note financing, discount note purchase financing deals, literally throughout the country. And I'm excited about this one. You know why?
It is, because we're helping him out.
I was going to say, you know.
You know what? I mean, we're a non-bank lender, and I know that it could be a little more expensive, but we're helping people out.
This guy particularly, I personally never met him, but one of the guys in the office happens to know him, and they told me during COVID, this guy used to get up at like 3 or 4 in the morning and cook meals for families who needed food. And you know, and the fact that we're supporting him when he's being, I'm not saying anything in violation of anything publicly. It's in bankruptcy. It's a foreclosure. You know, and we're helping him gives us tremendous satisfaction. Self-understood, we're making money with it. We're not doing it for free, but it's really a specialty.
It's business, but we're explaining to you that
more people should focus on it.
Right, we know how to do it, and honestly, it doesn't get bogged down in our system. It's in here, we do the work, everything that needs to be done, and we get it closed, and that's the difference. You know, we know what we're doing, so it just doesn't sit, and we don't give false or fake promises. They're all real. It's going to happen.
Yep,
we get it done.
Excited to do the DIP loan. Remember, we're doing all kinds of commercial real estate. Our loan amounts are typically $100,000 to $3, $4, $5 million bucks, almost all over the country. 1 to 5 year deals. Actually, I just approved the deal yesterday for 7 years, but generally 1 to 5 year deals, short-term deals. When your bank says no, we say yes says it all. And I'm adding a new tagline, home of the 10-day or less close.
Okay.
Most of the deals we're doing are closing in literally days because someone else dropped the ball, they're coming to us, and they need to close quick, and we're doing it.
Yep, and I'm the best at that.
Marcy's the best at this. Check us out at geltfinancial.com. Like the YouTube, you leave a comment. Any questions we'll answer. And most important, have a fantastic day. Take care.
Take care.